The theater industry has been struggling to stay relevant for decades now. Going to the movies just doesn't feel special anymore. People are willing to pay a premium for immersive entertainment, and IMAX has been the most immersive way to see a movie. Until COSM.
Now this is my second visit to COSM. The first one I came here to watch an NBA game. We sat right down on the floor, and it was freaking amazing. It was like being courtside. COSM is a giant screen, big kind of half dome. Think of it like a half a sphere in Las Vegas. This is their first foray into mainstream, but this is different. This was for the anniversary of the release of the Matrix movie. They've redone it and they've reimagined it for this dome immersive theater. And so I can't wait to see what they've done.
As you walk up and you peer inside, you'll notice everything is Matrix green, even the cactuses. They've done a great job of making you feel like you're immersed in the theme of the Matrix the minute you walk in the door.
This isn't real.
What is real?
And special doesn't even come close to capturing the experience. Every major scene in the movie plays out on a giant screen, while everything around you transforms into another world.
What are you trying to tell me? That I can dodge bullets?
It's like watching the Matrix from inside the Matrix. For me, it took a 30-year-old movie and breathed new life into the experience of watching it, and it was worth every penny of the $60 ticket, plus the $15 red pill cocktail I enjoyed. Netflix just can't compete with this. Unless, of course, you have a VR headset, but that's another video.
Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.